How to switch accounts in Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch between Google accounts in the Google Wallet app. It's super handy if you use multiple emails or cards. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as switch account at top. So beside that option, you can also see the downward arrow. So simply tap on it, and after that, a menu will pop up showing all the Google accounts linked to your device. So you can just tap on the one that you want to switch to, and after that, Google Wallet will instantly refresh under that account. And here, if you don't see any account that you want to add, then you can just tap on add account, and after that you can simply follow the on-screen prompts to add your account. And that's it. That's how you can switch accounts in Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.